Welcome back to another episode of Dad's Garage, and today, finally, I get some time for the F350 and doing the tune-up. But I have not touched this engine as far as spark plugs, wires, rotor cap, and this is gonna be a whole lot of fun, and it's gonna be messy because this thing is still pretty dirty in there. So, coming up. The F350 gave me a run for my money today. You're gonna see that the ignition system or the distributor didn't really want to come out. It was gunked up in there pretty good. I don't think that thing has ever been touched, like factory wise, because it just was really down in there. The wiring seemed kind of off, and I had to go and dig into the old interwebs and just check out the firing order and everything. Thankfully, finally got it running right. The truck is driving awesome. I mean, it accelerates so much smoother now. And I mean, it's not a high horsepower, car, but when overdrive hits, I can actually feel it now instead of it just feel like it's going slower. It's improved dramatically. And what I went ahead and did was I ended up doing the entire distributor because of the fact that it was so inexpensive. I'm going to give it a quick wash up the engine compartment. If you're a dad that has forgotten his project in the garage, man, make the time. Because if not now, when? You've got to, work with your significant other. I've been so blessed and so fortunate to have a partner that supports me. She is my world, and together we've made this little human child. He's 5 years old right now. Ethan, he is, you've seen him running around in the videos, and this is all for him and for us. We always talk to each other about each other's passion. We need to make time for ourselves too, as selfish as that sounds. Talk to your significant other. Let them know how much this means to you and get back to it. If we don't live for the passion, if we don't live every day to the fullest, we don't want to wait until we're 63 old and tired, or 65 or 70, whatever age you get old and tired at. I'm never gonna get old and tired. I don't know about you, but I don't plan on it. Make time for this. If this means so much to you that you're watching this channel now, means you probably have something in the garage, or you've been wanting to get something to work on, because you start early in the morning and you get into that project, and if you're like me, the whole world disappears for 8 hours You don't even realize it. You think it's been only 1 minute or half an hour or an hour. You have that passion, get back to it. I partner up with my wife. I make it fun for my son to participate at times. And sometimes it's a day where I know I'm gonna be spending 6 hours on this project dedicated today. So if my son Ethan wakes up early in the morning and he's really rambunctious, so he loves playing around, I'll try to get him activated first thing in the morning. And like we did in one of my previous videos, out of the blue, he loves being around the fire pit and everything. And that's what we did. We started a fire early on a Sunday morning. He had his fun. I give him a few marshmallows. It's sugar for him to burn off throughout the day. But after that, he was so happy that he wanted to come into the garage and help me out. So if that helps you out as a dad to share with your son, with your daughter, I hope it does. You know, this is a passion that touches me deeply because it's something that I wish I could share with my father today. If you like what you're seeing, you like the videos I'm putting out there, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and look forward to the next video. Check out the previous videos if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Say the Ethan Show.
Ethan Show.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Adios.
Adios.